Hello, students. This is Dr. Pranali Mishra, your NEET UG biology educator on Unacademy. So, Unacademy Ask a Doubt is an amazing feature that is available on Unacademy Learning app. If you're not having this app, you just need to download it from the Play Store. And if you're having this app, I suggest you to update it so that you can use the updated feature of Unacademy Ask a Doubt. You can ask doubt and get the solutions in the form of a video. The best thing about this feature is you can ask unlimited doubt. And the doubt you ask, you can ask any time, even in the middle of the night. And you can also get assistance with your homework and you receive exact matches for questions also. If you ask a question, you will get a high quality video solution in English, Hindi, and English, depending on the language you are selecting to obtain an answer. You obtain instant and accurate solution to the lakhs of questions over here. Don't you think it is amazing? Now, how to use this feature exactly? You just need to open your Unacademy Learning app. Under the Self Study section, select Doubt and Solution. Now, when you click on doubt and solution, you can take a picture of your doubt if it is from some copy, or if you're having some screenshot, you can just choose it from gallery. Now, when you select a picture, you need to crop a selected question. Your question should be highlighted. And after that, you need to select for which subject is it? Is it for physics, chemistry, or biology? Now you can just click on send and you'll receive the solution soon. Video solution in the language you prefer and very cleanly, neatly explained solution. Now, what things you need to keep in mind while you are using this Ask It Out feature? So, you are not supposed to post multiple doubts in a single image. One doubt at a time. You can ask three doubts, one after the other, but in one go, you just are supposed to ask a single doubt. Avoid, posting handwritten questions or blurred image or incomplete questions. Try that the question is readable, clear to the person who is providing solution for you. You can post only one doubt at once, post clear images, and you are also supposed to show all the options when you are asking an MCQ, that is a multiple choice question. Okay, and you can post doubts using Unacademy app only. So I suggest you to download the Unacademy app. And while you download, you can use the code DRPRANALILIVE, and in this way you can get all your doubts clear. Now there are some very good things in the new update for Ask a Doubt. You can ask three doubts, and while you are getting solutions to those three doubts, you can also post two another doubts in the queue, and in this way you'll get the solution quickly, and you get the video solution in the preferred language you want. So why not use this option, students, and get all your doubts clear on time? Specifically, I remember you telling me again and again that you are facing some problems with physics and chemistry numericals. So I suggest you to use this feature at max and get all your doubts cleared.